I am eating breakfast.
I am eating breakfast.
They are going to school.
They are going to school.
We are having a picnic.
We are having a picnic.
He is playing soccer.
He is playing soccer.
She is drawing a picture.
She is drawing a picture.
I am cleaning the room.
I am cleaning the room.
She is cooking dinner.
She is cooking dinner.
He is washing the car.
He is washing the car.
They are gardening today.
They are gardening today.
We are painting the walls.
We are painting the walls.
I am decorating the house.
I am decorating the house.
She is ironing clothes.
She is ironing clothes.
He is fixing the bike.
He is fixing the bike.
They are organizing the closet.
They are organizing the closet.
We are mowing the lawn.
We are mowing the lawn.
I am sweeping the floor.
I am sweeping the floor.
He is taking a shower.
He is taking a shower.
She is reading a book.
She is reading a book.
They are playing music.
They are playing music.
We are baking cookies.
We are baking cookies.
I am watering plants.
I am watering plants.
He is fixing the computer.
He is fixing the computer.
She is writing a letter.
She is writing a letter.
They are watching TV.
They are watching TV.
We are going shopping.
We are going shopping.